feedback to your team if you are working in a team method. Or you can organize your department's project using shared folders, especially in the pro version. So this makes Canva perfect, not just for the teaching, but also for the team projects, admin work, or collaborative course material development. So next we have the export options, like how to export or share your designs to your teammates, or you have to download to publish them on your social media or to flash them. Once your design is ready, Canva lets you export it in many forms. So you can download the template in PNG, JPG, PDF, SVG, MP4 method, and you can also share the templates with your students or colleagues, or even order printed copies for events or classroom use. So we can see that Canva also gives us the opportunity to get the printed copies from the Canva itself. So it's just a note. Canva files can't be exported to PowerPoint or other editors. They stay within Canva for editing. So this is the part, and this is the collaboration window, which will be used to collaborate with your teammates or your admins. You have to just mention the email ID here, and you have to share the link to them, and you can see the email will be sent to them, and they just need to accept the invite, and they can be collaborate with your uh, working template. And this is the window to download your template. These are the methods you can use to download your window. You can see the GPG, JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4. You can download the content in your GIF, and PPTX will be only for the pro version, like I have discussed earlier. So, wrapping up, by the end of this FDP, I am sure you will not only be comfortable using Canva, you will be using it to teach, share, and communicate more creatively. And you will learn how to bring visual storytelling into your classroom, build engaging content with ease, and collaborate with others. So, I'll just begin with the next part. So, this is just a short guide for the Canva. And firstly, we'll talk about the toolbar. So this is the toolbar you will be seeing on the interface or the Canva editor window. So you can see this is the font face. You can change it from here. You can increase the size or decrease the size. This is just for the text part. If you are using any kind of text on your canvas, you can use these options to edit them. And this is for the shape toolbar. If you are using any graphic toolbar, you will see this type of options. And this is for the photo toolbar, the page toolbar. So, like we have discussed earlier, if you see this window, you can change the font, and if you see this, you can change the size of the window. And these are for the font styles. The B stands for bold, I for italic, U for underline, S for strike through, and this will make your content in uppercase or lowercase, and this will align your content in bullets, or this will give the spacing. So next we have the text toolbar options, which will give some effects. You can animate, or you can arrange your text or align to page. So if you see the option, you,
Sorry to interrupt, but Dr. Amit has a doubt in the chat box.
yes, ma'am. Features
Ma'am,
in the free
please
version.
come back.
Sir, these are for the free versions.
Okay, okay. I just wanted to confirm that. Thank you so much.
So these options are for the effects, and you can see if you select any of the effect for this, and this will have a fun with this one. And you can use any kind of animation here. You just need to select your text, and after selecting your text, you just need to select the kind of animation you want, and that's all. It's just a drag and drop option for by using Canva tool. So these are just So next, moving on to the Canva important elements. We'll be having many kind of shapes and lines present on Canva. You can use any kind of shape like square, diamond, pentagon, etc. And these are the lines. You can use these tools, or these options are just to decorate your poster or any kind of template you are using. You can see you can add geometric shape also here, the geometric lines, the page borders, the organic shapes, any kind of banner, strips, and some colorful vector shapes. And these are not just limited to these six or seven shapes. There are so many shapes available on our Canva tool, and you can also add social media 3D elements over on your template, which will make your content or your template very much interactive. So moving on to the Canva important forts. So this is the important part you need to learn, or a very interesting part. So these are the free Canva font pairings. Like we have two options. Like one is the major part, major heading, major text, and next we have the subtext. So these are the best Canva fonts for posters. Like you can use this font, Noja, Luckiest Sky, etc. And like this minimalist font from Canva. You
Excuse me,
can
ma'am.
sorry.
Uh,
So like I have told you earlier that if you are already registered with the Canva, you just need to click on this part. Or if you are not registered, you just need to sign up with this and choose with another account. You can use any of the option you are comfortable with, but I am a already registered user, so I'll continue with this part. You just need to select your email ID with which you are already registered. So you can see my dashboard window is totally according to me, and these are some of the templates I have already used for my education. And like this, if you open this template, you can see I have told you earlier that this is the canvas on which you will be editing your part, and these are the design or templates. You can see you just need to select or search for the template you want. Like I want the template for the uh, designing, so this will suggest some of the designing options for you. So if I want a interior designer poster, so this will give some templates to me. And if I want an education posters, so you can see there are so many educational posters, and it will suggest you that what type of educational poster you want: the school poster, academic poster, the information science poster, or some research poster. So I'll go with this. You can see there are so many posters available, and you need to just take care of one thing: the templates which will be having a crown logo. These are the pro version, and you can't use them if you are not a pro member. So this template is not having any kind of crown template. I have used this. So if I want to edit this, I just select the part and increase the size. You can see the size is increasing. And if I want to change the font face, I'll just select any kind of font face I want. I'll go with this, and the font face will be edited. And if I want to change the image, you just need to go to the photo part. We'll be having a introductory video or introductory session today, and we'll be having a detailed template part or editing part with hands-on practice from tomorrow onwards. Today is just an introduction session for you all. You can just select and put that into it. You can see the image is changed. If you want to change the color, you just go to edit and select any kind of color you want from there. So this was all about the introduction. So I'll show you the project dashboard window. And these are the projects. If you have created your projects in the past, you can see just after clicking on the projects, I have all my projects I have made in the past are visible here. So these are some of the templates we have used for our educational part. You can create certificates also. So I'll just show you some of the certificates we have created for our students. See, these are the certificates we have created by own, and we haven't used any kind of template from Canva. You can use or create anything using the template, or you can design yourself if you are a good innovator. So this is the templates part. These are already available, and you have to just select from any of the template, and these are the categories of what kind of template you want: the certificate, presentation, poster, a document, a Google sheet, a flyer, resume. Business cards are also created using this. You can create photo collages, your Instagram stories, your mobile videos, a storyboard, your Instagram post, social media post. You can also create, if you are a YouTuber, you can also create YouTube intro and outro videos to make your videos more interactive with anyone. Like for the introduction part, you can add your photo or your designation or what kind of video you are creating. You can add some of the introduction in your intro part, and after winding up your video, you can just add a outro part, and in the outro part you can say thank you to all, or a conclusion part can also be added. If you are not adding your conclusion part into your video, you can just use the outro part. We can also create three-fold or two-fold brochures or flyers using this. A logo can also be made if you are inviting someone. So you can also use invitation parts and design according to your event. If you are inviting someone for your birthday, you can create an invitation card and design it accordingly. We'll be
Ma'am,
having, yes, ma'am.
ma'am, Jiva Bharti has a doubt in the chat box.
What is the difference between certificate stickers in MS Office, Photoshop, and Canva? Difference between certificate stickers and ma'am, if we talk about the stickers or options available in MS Office, they are totally different with Canva. You can see, if you will use Canva, you can see the difference between them. So firstly, please explore Canva. You will totally see the difference between them. We have limited templates on MS Office, but there are so many templates available or stickers available on Canva option. So next, if we move on to the brand kit, this is for the logo parts. If you are a pro user, you can use this brand kit. In this, you don't have to download any kind of brand logo from the Google. And you can see, if we search for the logo of Instagram, I'll just show you into the create brand templates. This is a pro version. And if we move on to the Canva AI, you just need to say that design for me a social media, and format will be something Facebook post. Design a social media post of a girl moving on a road. You can see it is working and it will take some time, but see, you can edit any one of the template you want to. It have designed a template within seconds. You just need to mention what you want and it will provide you anything, and it is totally free. It is not of any cost or you need to pay something for this. See, there are so many AI features available on Canva. Like you can create a design, you can create an image, you can even create a code for interactive pricing calculator or a video or something like that if you want, of any kind of. And we have applications also available. You can use applications for AI generation, audio and voiceover, communication, graphic designing, marketing. So firstly, if we see something like AI face swapper, you can swap images using this. So I'm just telling you about the introduction. We'll use these tools in our future sessions.